You're watching News at Prime. Let's bring you this story now. Moroadi Cholota, former Free State Premier Ace Magashule's ex-PA, will on Monday again challenge her extradition from the United States to South Africa. This time, Cholota is arguing that the Bloemfontein High Court has no jurisdiction to hold her criminally liable in the multi-million-rand asbestos case. She is citing the alleged misleading of U.S. authorities by the National Prosecuting Authority, which led to her extradition as grounds for the High Court not having that jurisdiction. Here's Newzroom Afrika's Juniour Khumalo with that report.
Former Free State Premier Ace Magashule's ex-PA, Moroadi Cholota, will on Monday again try to have her extradition from the U.S. overturned. Cholota is accused alongside 17 others, including Magashule and controversial businessman Edwin Sodi. When the multi-million-rand asbestos trial finally got underway 3 weeks ago, Cholota pleaded not guilty to all charges. She says the Bloemfontein High Court does not have jurisdiction to try her, given her alleged unlawful extradition to South Africa in August last year. Her advocate, Loyiso Makapela, explains.
The United States relied on incorrect and false information that was provided by the state to extradite accused number 17.
According to Makapela, the NPA told U.S. authorities that her client was a flight risk with connections in Kenya when the state knew very well that Cholota has no relations in the country. She also alleged that the manner in which her client was treated was because Cholota refused to implicate her former boss, Magashule. However, the state pointed out that the High Court in January dismissed a similar bid by Cholota to have her arrest declared unlawful and said this was yet another delaying tactic. Advocate Sandra Fries also indicated that since the January judgment, Cholota has failed to challenge the ruling in the Supreme Court of Appeal.
As my learned friend has informed the court, there was no application for leave to appeal pursued in respect of that judgment, and that remains the position today. My reading of Section 17 of the Superior Courts Act, as well as Section 16, makes that compulsory before an application to the SCA can be proceeded with. That has not happened. To the extent that my learned friend has now told the court that there is no pending application before the SCA as we stand today, that is correct. The state has not received any such application.
Makapela indicated at the time that the application for leave to appeal would be processed before the end of April and the matter would run concurrently with the asbestos trial. Cholota challenging the court jurisdiction, Judge Philip Lobsher granted the former PA a trial within a trial to commence on Monday ahead of the asbestos matter proceeding. The state was set to call on its first witness to take the stand, but the trial has again stalled due to Cholota's special plea. In April, the judge also relaxed Cholota's bail conditions after an application by Makapela. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Juniour Khumalo in Bloemfontein.